In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer GTA Online character from PlayStation 4 to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can actually transfer your progress from a PlayStation console to an Xbox console. However, there is something that I need to make very clear. You will only be able to do this if you are transferring from an old gen console, so the PlayStation 4, to a next gen console, such as an Xbox Series X or S. You will not be able to transfer it from PlayStation 4 to Xbox One, and I needed to make that distinction very clear. As long as you are transferring from different generations of consoles, you will be able to do this. But if you try transferring from PlayStation 4 to Xbox One, aka the same generation of consoles, this is going to be impossible. So first, visit the socialclub.rockstargames.com website. You can do this through a web browser on your computer or your phone. In here, sign into the account that you use to play GTA Online, click on your icon, go over to Account, Settings, and you will be able to find linked accounts. What you have to do here is ensure that both the Xbox and PlayStation accounts are linked to the same Rockstar Games account. By doing this, when you open GTA Online on any console, including the next gen consoles, you will be able to find the migration option. So open GTA Online on an Xbox Series X or X, and you will be able to find the option there. Then just follow through. You will be able to see your character if you linked both accounts properly through the website, and then you can just start the migration process. All of your progress will be transferred over, and you will be able to play on your next gen console. Like I said, if you are trying to transfer between same generation, so PlayStation 4 to Xbox One, this is going to be impossible, but you can absolutely do this from PlayStation 4 to Xbox Series X or S. You just have to visit the Rockstar Games website and link both accounts in here. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer GTA Online character from PlayStation 4 to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.